I'm doing the Knitcrate yarn giveaway. I have 4 skeins of yarn. I'm giving away 2, and then a set of 2 I'm going to keep. So for the membership, if you're not a member, it's $24.99 and it's valued at $63. And you can go right to the website. I'll link it down below, and you can pick which membership suits you best. And all I ask for this giveaway is comment down below maybe what you're working on right now for crocheting, or what maybe you would like to see as a video in the future, or anything crochet related. Make sure you're a subscriber. That's very important. And I'm going to give this yarn away in a couple of weeks, and I'll post that on the title for the date. So please come back and see if you're the winner. Okay, so that's all I ask. And right now they're not doing booklets, they're doing postcards. I think it has a lot to do with what's going on in the world. And so instead of a booklet of patterns, but they do have some free patterns, I believe, on their site. Okay, so the first 2 I'm going to show you is not the giveaway. This one I'm going to keep because it's just so beautiful, but the one below I'm going to give away. So this is interlock, and as you can tell, it's like a very pretty cream and light brown. Very pretty colors. And this is Beaches, 34% cotton, 35 linen, 19% lyocell, 11% nylon, 351 yards, 100 grams, and this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. Okay, so those are those 2. This is the giveaway here. This is a cream, like a off-white cream. 2 skeins of these. Looks just like this here. So basically it's just this very nice, it's soft, and it's the cream white. And it came with 2 packets of Kool-Aid, so you could color these with Kool-Aid, I'm assuming. I've never done that before, but I'm going to give it away with these because that's what it came with. And then I had a button a long time, like a while ago, with one of the boxes, and so I'm going to give this away too with it. It's a very pretty button with a lot of paint, like looks like little flowers with leaves on it. Okay, so all I'm asking is that you comment down below, and if you're interested in being a member, it's $24.99 per month. You get 2 skeins of yarn. The links for this is down below, and all my links for any of my giveaways or things that I have running for sales or anything like that are listed down below. So make sure you're a subscriber as well. Okay, so thank you for watching.